This short rib ragu pasta is officially in my top 10 favorite dishes. Pat dry about 4 pounds of short ribs and season well with salt and pepper. Add olive oil to a hot Dutch oven style pot and brown each side of the short ribs. Then remove them and set aside. Add in a couple grated carrots and a diced onion with a little pinch of salt and saute for about 3 minutes. Add in about 4 to 5 minced garlic cloves and cook about a minute. Make a well and add in about 2 tablespoons of tomato paste to cook the rawness out. Mix it all together and pour in half a bottle of red wine and reduce it by about half. Then a whole can of San Marzano tomatoes and half a can of water. Top it all off with about a cup of beef stock. Then you're going to add the brown short ribs back into the pot to make sure they're all submerged. Throw in an herb bundle of thyme, basil, and bay leaves, cover, and put into a 300-degree oven for 3 hours. When you remove from the oven, take the herb bundle out, and all the bones should come right out, guys. It should be super tender. Mix and shred all the meat. Add any salt and pepper to taste, then simmer with a cracked lid to reduce for another 30 to 40 minutes, stirring occasionally. Add salt to boiling water and drop the pasta. I'm using Pappardelle. While the pasta is cooking, add in a cup of cream and mix well. Reserve a cup of the pasta water and strain the pasta when al dente. Mix the ragu together with the pasta and don't forget to add a little bit of that pasta water to bring it all together. You're then going to plate it up and grate on some fresh Pecorino Romano or Parmesan to finish. My daughter gives it 2 thumbs up and I'm confident that you will too. This one's amazing, guys.